The Bakassi Deep Sea Port, with an evacuation corridor to northern Nigeria, is the strategic way forward for this country. The major deposits outside of hydrocarbon in this country is in northern Nigeria. The northern Nigeria has the largest deposit of rare earth and essential metals. And the only way the northern part of Nigeria can have a full benefit of their God-given wealth in terms of solid mineral deposit is only when you have an access or have a keys of the Atlantic Ocean. Coming into life, the Bakassi Deep Sea Port with an evacuation corridor to north is like taking Atlantic Ocean to northern Nigeria. It's a strategic way of putting an end to the insurgency, militancy, kidnapping, and the Boko Haram issues. The superhighway and the deep sea port is very critical. Those projects are not projects on the shoulders of the governor of Cross River State. It's a responsibility of the federal government, and that's why I'm here. We have made order and have taken delivery of a large number of tractors, bulldozers, payloaders, excavators. The list is endless. So we are going to create jobs for over 2,000 young people who will have at least 5 hectares of farmland for rice. Mr. President will flag off the G-Money program, which is a green economy focusing on agriculture as a way forward. The President has a very clear understanding, and I'm very happy of his kind words and commendation on my special and outstanding achievements in the process of achieving an agriculturally self-sustaining country.